Welcome to the skill building workshop on Arduino. I am Mr. Rahul Shimpi, RJ's World of Electronics, Nasik. In this session, we will learn connect a 16 by 2 LCD display with Arduino, write a program to display alphanumeric character on the display. We require some external components such as 16 by 2 LCD display, potentiometer, breadboard, and jumper wires. Display is an output device. There are many types of displays. Let us see the 16 by 2 LCD display. LCD stands for Liquid Crystal Display. A 16 by 2 LCD display is a very basic module and is very commonly used in various devices and circuits. A 16 by 2 LCD means it can display 16 characters per line and there are two such lines. In this LCD, each character is displayed in 5 by 7 pixel matrix. Now let us see the pin configuration of the LCD. Here we can see that there are 16 pins in the LCD. Pin 1 is the ground pin represented by GND. Pin 2 is the power supply pin which is represented by VCC. Pin number 3 is VO. It is the LCD contrast pin. Here you have to connect a potentiometer. This will allow a variable voltage to control the contrast of the LCD. Pin 4 is RS. RS stands for resistor select. It can be used as a command register or a data register. Pin number 5 is RW. It is a read-write pin. We can either read the data from the LCD or write to the LCD. Pin number 6 is enable pin. This enables the LCD to accept the information from the Arduino or microcontroller. These are the data pins. The data and command are sent to the LCD through these pins. These are the LCD backlight pins. Pin 15 is the anode of the backlight of LCD and pin 16 is the cathode of the backlight of the LCD. So far, we have seen the pin details of the LCD. Now, let us switch to the circuit detail for this experiment. In circuit diagram, pin number 1 is connected to the ground. Pin number 2 is connected to the VCC. Pin number 3 is connected to the variable terminal of the potentiometer to control the contrast of the LCD. Pin number 4 of the LCD, that is register select pin, is connected to the pin number 12 of the Arduino. Pin number 5 is connected to the ground because we are writing to the LCD. Pin number 6 of the LCD, that is enable pin, is connected to the pin number 11 of the Arduino. We are using only 4 data lines for our experiment. So, pin number 11 is connected to the pin number 5 of Arduino. Pin number 12 is connected to the pin number 4 of Arduino. Pin number 13 is connected to the pin number 3 of Arduino. Pin number 14 is connected to the pin number 2 of Arduino. Pin 15 and pin 16 are connected for the backlight of the LCD. So, pin number 15 is connected to the VCC and pin number 16 is connected to the ground. I have set up the Arduino and LCD as per the circuit diagram. Our aim is to display the string on the LCD. Let me explain the program. The first line is hash include open triangular bracket liquid crystal dot h bracket close. This library allows the Arduino to control liquid crystal displays. Next, let us see liquid crystal function and its parameter. Liquid crystal is the function and LCD is the variable. In liquid crystal function, first parameter is RS, that is resistor select. In our circuit diagram, resistor select pin of the LCD is connected to the digital pin 12 of Arduino board. So we have right here 12. Next parameter is enable. It is connected to the pin number 11 of Arduino. So second number is 11. Next four parameters are the data lines of LCD. D4, D5, D6 and D7 of LCD are connected to pins 5, 4, 3 and 2 of the Arduino board. This line of code can be outside the void setup function. In void setup function, there is a function called begin. lcd.begin open bracket 16 comma 2 bracket close semicolon. In this function, the first number represents the number of columns that the display has, and the second number represents the number of rows that the display has. So in our case, we are using 16 by 2 LCD. So 16 represents the 16 columns and 2 represents the 2 rows. So the function is lcd.begin open bracket 16 comma 2 bracket close semicolon. Next is the void loop function. In void loop function, the first line is lcd dot set cursor open bracket 0 comma 0. Set cursor command will position the cursor in the specified column and rows in the LCD. In our case, we have mentioned 0 comma 0. So in this function, first number represents the column and second number represents the rows. So 0 comma 0, it means 0 column and 0 row. So the first line first position. Next line is lcd.print open bracket in double quote Rahul Shimpi bracket close semicolon. lcd.print is the function which will print the text on the LCD. Next line is lcd dot set cursor open bracket 3 comma 1 bracket close semicolon. First number represents the column and second number represents the row. So 3 means 0, 1, 2 and 3. So it will shift to the fourth column and 1 means it shift to the second line. So row 2. So next line is lcd dot print in double quote I have mentioned a number, so it will print the number on second line of the LCD from the fourth position onwards. So this is the simple code for this LCD. Let us compile and upload the program. We can see the output Rahul Shimpi displayed on the first line and a number on second line. Note the change in the column position in second row. Once the text is sent, it is there forever. There are many functions such as scroll display left, no display, etc. Let us see the demonstration of these functions. Now let us see scrolling string on the LCD. So to scroll the string on LCD, we have the function scroll display left or scroll display right. So first line is hash include liquid crystal dot h. So next line is to configure the pins. So we have configure, register, select, enable and data lines. So same as the previous code. Then in void setup, we have initialize the LCD. So LCD dot begin 16, 2. In the same function, we have mentioned LCD dot set cursor 0, 0. And then we have mentioned LCD dot print Nasik dash Dhule dash Nasik. So once the text is sent, it is there forever in the LCD. Now in this string, we can observe the number of characters are 23, as our display can display 16 character on a single line at a time. Now next is the void loop. In void loop, the function is lcd dot scroll display left. It means it scroll the display one position towards left with delay of 500 millisecond. Let us compile and upload the sketch and see the output. Now let us see the another function, that is no display. So it is a kind of flashing the text on the display. So let us see the code. Again, the same, first include the liquid crystal dot h file, then configure the pins of the LCD. Then in void setup function, initialize the LCD. So LCD dot begin 16, 2. Now in the void loop function, set the cursor position. So I have mentioned here LCD dot set cursor 0, 0. Now I want to print the string Rahul Shimpi. So at first line from first position, it will displaying Rahul Shimpi. Next, I have set the cursor on the second line and from the third position. So LCD dot set cursor 2, 1. Next, I want to print Nasik on the second line. So the above cursor position is for the Nasik string. After that, I have called LCD dot no display. This function allows to clear the characters present on the LCD. After that, I have called some small delay. Then I have called LCD dot display. So this function again shows the characters on the LCD. In this way, we can flash the text on the LCD display. So let us compile and upload the sketch and observe the output on the LCD. So we can observe the flashing of text on the LCD. This brings us to the end of this session. Thank you.